Okay guys, part 2. So I went and reworked the grip. First off, you need to drill a hole right there and then enlarge this so that the firing pin can come down, or the safety could come down, because when I didn't enlarge that hole, I couldn't actually engage the safety or any of the functions for it to fire. So I just enlarged that for that pin to come down. There is also a pin inside underneath this spring right here, so be careful with that. Now let's put this baby back together again. It's pretty simple. Just line that up. And there you go. Tighten it up. As you can see. And there she is. What's nice about this, fills that spot right there. It's a nice grip to it. The rifle itself now is exceeds over 7 pounds with this pod right here. So and with this grip, it's really feel nice. And what we're gonna do is try it out. Now I can gauge semi, full. Earlier I couldn't do either one. Down. Let's try semi. Full auto. Back to semi. And again, this is the ETG combat grip. Picked it up at eBay for 11 bucks. I've got the total package of M4 right here, clinker, and she's a real nice rifle. Again, this is with the mod for the there is probably a 1mm gap you can see there. I can't do anything about that. Probably fill it in with some kind of rubber or just electrical tape, but everything else fits in nicely. Grip is really nice, and just the way I like it. The original one was too thin, and it wasn't fun to hold while shooting. So rock and roll, guys. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and you guys have a good one.